MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
Giovanni, First MTA, a well-known workholding company. Can you tell me about this product here at EMO Encore?
This is a new innovative product from TECHNOMAGNETE. We became UK agents for them over a year ago now. It's new innovative technology. It's the first time that it's been displayed on a machine in the UK. Its unique qualities are that, as you can see, there's no toe clamps to this equipment. It independently magnetises to the machine bed and then independently magnetises to the components. The reason for that is not so you don't have to use toe clamps, but so you get a uniform clamping effect, and it eliminates vibration, which in course you get faster feeds and speeds, and you can hit the components harder.
Okay, we've got the doors open on this VTC here. What's going to happen when I start machining?
Well, you're going to machine the component and hit the component as hard as you would like. The machine is independent from the connection point here. It's been magnetised to the machine bed, and it will stay magnetised until you put the connector in and reverse the polarity, even if you had a power cut.
So even if I had a power cut, the component is going nowhere?
No, it's not going nowhere. There's 25 poles under each of these components, 450 mil square, which generates a vertical clamping force of 15 tonne.
15 tonne, wow. Yeah. What happens if I've got a component with a very thin wall thickness?
Depending on the wall thickness, we would supply, if it was 20 mil, below 20 mil, we would supply a fine pole magnetic chuck. And this is for heavy duty machining. So we've got different magnets dependent on the application.
I can see it being a huge benefit to the mould and die industry, but are there any other sectors who would invest in this form of technology?
Oh yeah, most certainly. Anyone with large components, the railway industry, for example, but not just for large components. If you're a subcontract company where you're doing large components or small components, if you've got this equipment on the machine bed, the full top surface is fully machinable and without the pole extensions on, which that means you can incorporate round and diamond pin sets and put your vices on, chucks on. So if you wanted to machine aluminium work, you still can do, and it'll give you a 0 point system, which you could also interface with the machine if you were looking to robot load.
Okay, and First MTA are also agents for the very popular chick vise. Is this the beginning of the end for the chick vise?
Oh no, definitely not. TECHNOMAGNETE is predominantly for large components. Chick is for middle of the range kind of size components, aerospace components, medical components. So our products are all application specific.
Okay, and this sits away from the machine tool, presumably, so it can be used on any CNC?
It can be used on 3-axis machines, horizontal machines and 5th-axis machines, with unique qualities on all.
Okay, so if I apply it on a 5-axis machine and the bed's tilted at 90 degrees, so the component is effectively in thin air, is that an issue?
No, not at all, because again, dependent on the surface area covered by the component, it creates a certain tonnage of clamping force. So if you were holding it in a vise and you get 5 ton clamping force, it's exactly the same.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.